We have the 2017 Mustang ecoboost right here, guys. The customer came through like a couple months back and got a muffler delete, what you see right here. But he said, look, I want a little bit more noise. I want a little bit of a deeper tone. So we removed that resonator. It's on the floor right there. The resonator was in this section right here, guys. What we did is we just cut it off, installed this Y pipe right there. Unfortunately, I don't have a before one, but back here is the muffler delete. I don't have the muffler because, like I said, it was done a few months ago and he wanted to get a little bit more aggression. So basically straight pipe, guys. The tips over here are the tips he came in with. So we didn't replace them today. It looks like he did last time. But if you guys want any tip at all, go to gexhaust.com. We have the largest selection of tips, as well as intakes, bolt-on systems, whatever you guys want. So go check that out. The links are in the description. We're also franchising. Turnkey business, huge profit margins, guys. You have to go check it out. If you want some more info, just request it. Again, links in the description. Just ask us for a franchisee packet. All right, let me know what you guys think.
Yeah.